Welcome to Fraction Series Episode 5. Today we're going to focus on mixed fractions. For the first question here, we're going to simply switch from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So when you're doing this, what you want to do is you want to take the denominator and multiply it by the whole number. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then you're going to add that to the numerator. And then you're going to add those two numbers together and you're going to get 7 over 2. For question number 2, we're doing adding fractions. So we're going to start off by adding the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we're going to get a common denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. And we're going to end up with 4 and 5/14. Last question here is division. When doing multiplication or division of mixed fractions, I actually prefer to switch them to improper fractions. So what we want to do here is similar to the first question. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. And then 15 times 1 plus 13 is 28 over 15. Then we would need to flip the second fraction and change it to multiplication. Then we can cross reduce. And we're left with 5/4. That's it for this episode. Go ahead and do the blue questions on the left, and they'll be taken up in a YouTube short.